Here is today's question. To solve the following equation, we have to expand the bracket first. So t squared minus 3t equals to 5t plus 18. Move everything to the left side. Then t squared minus 3t minus 5t minus 18 equals to 0. Simplify the like terms, then t squared minus 8t minus 18 equals to 0. Since that quadratic equation cannot be factorized, we have to use the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So from our equation, we know that a value is 1, b value is minus 8, and c value is minus 18. Just try to input those values into the formula. Then we could get the t value. So t equals to minus 8 plus minus root minus 8 to the square minus 4 times by 1 times by minus 18 over 2 times by 1. Let's try to simplify more than 8 plus minus root 64 plus 72 over 2. Simplify more, then we get 8 plus minus root 136 over 2. Then we could write the t value into 8 plus root 136 over 2, which is 9.83, or 8 minus root 136 over 2, which is minus 1.83. So these are the answers for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.